Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I would like to share with you how I made my cough drink. This drink, it works like magic. Please, if you know anyone that is coughing and the cough did not subside or no improvement at all, please, why not tell such a person to try this amazing recipe. I'm telling you, the person will thank you later. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. And if you are new, this is a place where you can find the healthy recipes. Please like, subscribe and share. Bye.